In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video from Google Drive to your YouTube channel. So this is very easy, so let's get started. So what you need to do once you're in Google Drive, you need to go ahead and find the video file. That could be in a shared folder for you. You may have been given a link to it, or it might just be in your Drive. Either way, we can come to the video, we can right click, then click download, and then click download anyway, depending on the file size, and that video will then go into your downloads folder. Now what we can do is open up YouTube, click create in the top right hand corner, click upload video, then you can click select files, then head to your downloads, and then find the video file, which should be an MP4 file. Once you've clicked open, it will then start to upload this video. You can give it a title and a description. Once you've done that, you'll see the processing and upload status at the bottom here. It's going to tell you how long's left. You may want to upload a thumbnail. To do that, you can click upload file and you can add a custom thumbnail. Click next though, and make sure you go and fill out these details. So no, it's not made for kids. We can then click next. Then we can add an end screen and cards if needed. I'm just going to click next, next again, and once you finally have done that, you get to the visibility section. Make sure that everything has been complete. Then you can choose to make it public, or you can also schedule or make it private as well. If you want to make it public, select it, then click publish, and your video will then be uploaded to YouTube.